Hi everyone, I am Jenny and I'm going to start letter series where you will see how every week you can introduce one letter to your child. And if you're thinking one letter, isn't it too long for a week? No, hang on and watch my full video because you will see that in just one letter your child can discover so many things. I don't want to introduce letters in alphabetical order. Instead, I'll be taking Montessori approach so that your child can learn and pronounce many words with that. So totally there are 7 sets. I will be focusing on set 1, which is CMAT, for few days. And once first set is complete, we will revise in a fun and unique way through various games and activities, and also try to form few words so your child can begin to form words and read. And then based on a pace and interest, we'll move on to the next set and so on. Here is my homeschooling setup for this week, where I am going to focus on letter C. My daughter is already excited from the time she has seen the setup and she can't wait to put her hands on. The chart you see I prepared based on objects I will be using here. Printouts like this is also easily available to download from Google. I choose card making activity based on my daughter's interest. Similarly, you can choose making a clock or making a crown, or something more exciting like baking a chocolate cake, a carrot cake, or a cookie. This is a clock puzzle where your child can put the correct piece and learn about time. First, start with easy by keeping the big needle at 12 and introduce like it's 2 o'clock or 4 o'clock. This is DIY counting coins and color matching toy, which I prepared with a watch box, which you can easily prepare with a shoe box also. Coins are available in craft shop, or you can make it with cardboard sheet also. C is also for clips, so this is matching clips activity. It's very good for strengthening child's fingers, as child has to open and put and they can just match the clips. This is cat puzzle. I made using picture from her old coloring book and pasted on Amazon packaging sheet. And like this, child can join pieces to make a cat. E is for cactus and clay too. Seeing this image, she can make cactus using all the materials in this box. This is for pot, these are green and red clay, and these are toothpicks for thorns which I have cut into small pieces. These cups are for arranging based on sizes from big to small and smallest. This is for taking out corn from tweezer. It's quite challenging but very good for developing fine motor skills. Let's move to another section. I prepared this chart with 3-letter words, which is easy for her to remember and form words. This is object box where child can see what all things start from letter C. Try to introduce with sound first, like this is K instead of saying C. If child is already familiar with the name of the objects, then you can ask them to show where is K for cup, K for carrot, K for crab, K for car, or tell them based on objects in your basket. This is a very small sensory bin for her to again see objects with C and play. Yellow powder which you see is chickpea flour. This is pre-writing activity using salt. You can show them how to trace and how you can write on a salt tray. Your child will just love using this. I use rough foam sheet for her to trace. You can also use sandpaper to make tracing card, or you can buy sandpaper letters tracing, which will be useful. Now these are books I put based on letter C. Circus Train, Creation book. It's about coloring, color book. It's a car book. this which box you see. My daughter is very fond of painting. She can paint the cauliflower, and some coffee can be mixed with water to do some finger painting. Try repeating the k sound whenever your child is doing any activity, like this is k for coffee. If you want to show to your child how this has to be done, then you can see the next video on this segment, which is entirely made for kids. So these are some of the elements we have and we use to make our own letter song. And so usually kids remember a lot when they sing song. It's catchy and fun too for them. So if you want, I can tell the words, and you can also do some action song with your kids for this letter C. Thank you for watching my video. Do try this letter theme with your child, and next week we will focus on letter M. If you're watching my video for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe and do share with your friends if you like my video, and like my video if you really like my video. Bye bye. Stay tuned for more videos.